Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. Are the dishes on your lower rack of your GE dishwasher not getting very clean? Well, today I'm going to show you how to replace the lower spray arm. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The lower spray arm distributes water throughout the bottom of the dishwasher using pressure from the main wash pump to rotate and evenly clean the dishes. Over time, it can become clogged with food debris or mineral deposits, or it may crack, warp, or lose one of its metal shields, which can prevent it from spinning properly. When this happens, you may notice poor cleaning performance, blocked spray holes, or the arm not rotating during the wash cycle. The manufacturer has updated the design of this part. The new version no longer includes the metal heat shields on the end of the spray arm, as they are no longer required. If you need to purchase a replacement lower spray arm for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. No tools are needed for this repair. To remove the lower spray arm on this model of GE dishwasher, begin by opening the door, sliding out, and removing the lower dish rack. The lower spray arm is attached through a connector that twists into the diverter assembly at the bottom of the dishwasher's tub. Rotate the connector collar a quarter of a turn counterclockwise and pull the spray arm off of the diverter assembly. You can now dispose of the lower spray arm. If you need a replacement lower spray arm, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at PartsDoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. Please notice that the replacement lower spray arm may not have heat shields on the new spray arm assembly. This is an update to the part from the manufacturer. To install the new lower spray arm, align the connecting collar to the diverter assembly and turn the collar clockwise until it's fully tightened. Test and be sure that the spray arm is installed securely and rotates freely. Replace the lower rack and close the door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin, the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.